Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new release video. I'm filming this quite early. It is actually Tuesday, February 18th, so this is actually even before last week's new releases, but I am going to be going away, so I won't have time to film this, and if there's any additions, like if any artists come out with art that I'm going to be adding to this release, I'll obviously post it on Instagram, and then I'll show you guys on probably Tuesday night, before new releases. So you'll see this, and then if there's anything I add, it'll be on Instagram, and I will show you guys on Instagram stories on Tuesday night. So let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases. It is pretty exciting because all three of these kits are actually exclusive art, which is awesome. So let's go ahead and get through the Wiggle first. So this week's Wiggle is a really pretty icy robin's egg blue. I am absolutely in love with it. It's another one of those like that green and that purple that I always ordered colors of foil that I wanted it to be like this color, and it always ended up being like bright blue, and I've never been able to get this like really pretty like icy springy kind of, it's like could go either spring or winter, I feel like, blue color. And this is in the new bow format. So you have the 15mm strip, you have the scripts, you have the doodle icons, you have the deco mini, the mini icons, you have the 6 sheets which have the 7 headers, 14 half cut headers, and then the 2 full boxes, so you have 6 of those. And then you also have the circle icons and date numbers page, so same format as per usual. This is just the new bow format. So this is the Wiggle for this week. It is on a special pricing from Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern, and it is so pretty. It'll match a lot of kits, and I really, really love it. So that is the Wiggle for this week. We'll go into the regular foil releases. The first one we have here are some quote boxes, and these are like girl boss, I guess, quotes. So you do have "She got that girl boss hustle," "Dream hard, work harder," "Just a girl who decided to go for it," and "Act like a lady, think like a boss." So you have those in all 4 foils. Then there is the option if you want to pick up the spring bucket list. So this is just a bunch of different kind of spring activities. This one says have a picnic, go on a bike ride, spot a rainbow, fly a kite, take pictures in the flowers, play with sidewalk chalk, go on a hike, go to a festival, make a flower crown, visit a farmer's market, visit the zoo, and plant some flowers. And there is the option if you want to purchase it in any of the 4 foils. And then last but not least, we do have a 15mm strip for this week, and I'm really excited. I think this one's going to be probably the top foil seller, and this is the 15mm strip with the stars, which is so pretty. I feel like stars and twinkle are 2, like, as far as like the designs go, the 2 most popular. So I really love these, and I think they're really great, and you guys know I use a lot of these per week. Then let's get into the kits. Let's get into this one first. This one is called Family Movie Night, and a lot of you guys got, actually there's like an extra box, and some of you guys got those in rack bags, so some of you have seen this already. So all of the kits this week do have the option in mini and ultimate. We do unlimited stock for the first 48 hours. Let me go ahead and show you guys this kit here. I thought it was super cute. It's kind of like a more family version of Netflix and chill with kind of more like muted neutral colors. So you have them watching like on a projector or like a TV, like a Disney movie. You have pajamas and little fairy lights, little DVDs, VHS movies, a little like Chinese takeout, ice cream, remote, popcorn kernels, popcorn, ice cream, and more like noodles. It's like my whole dream of what everything perfect would be on like a weekend. And then there is a family box here. There is no skin tone showing, so there is the option of this brown color. You could easily make this like black, and then I've seen people change blonde to like different colors as well. You can kind of mix and match. In Frankenstein, like for example, I only have one kid, and he's blonde, and who knows what color my other kid will be. So we'll kind of just play it by ear. But you guys have, this is this is the freebie. Sorry, my throat hurts so bad today. I don't know what's going on. I'm all like kind of congested. I think it's like because in Texas it's been going from hot to cold like nonstop, and it's really messing with me, Bennett, and Nick. But this is the freebie in both the mini and the ultimate, so you have tons of options there. Then you have the ombre heart checklist, you have the half boxes, you have the functional page. There's an extra box with a pizza, which Come on, pizza and movies, my jam. When I can eat pizza right now, I can't eat anything with red sauce or I will die. Not actually die, but it'll be really bad for my stomach. You have a ton of deco over here, which is gonna look super cute. I love these colors. I went with the more like kind of neutrally colors in the kit, and then you have the bottom washi date covers page. So that is family movie night. And I just think it's a really, really cute anytime kit. And again, this is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else, which is awesome. It also does come, like I said, in the mini kit format, which still comes with the same freebie, which these freebies, whenever they're the full boxes or the tall boxes, such a good value. So you have the full boxes, the half boxes, the functional page, the deco, and then the bottom washi. And like I said, you do get the extra double box as well. You totally, even if you want to just use the couple or you just wanted to use the kiddos, you could do either that as well. I think that would look really cute. We do have some add-on options. Oops. Do have some add-on options for this kit. So there is the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There's the option if you want to add on the label samplers. There's the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. And then last but not least, there's like a couple box option, which is really cute as well. So you just have like the backs of heads there. So that is everything for family movie night. Then I do have two kind of location themed. I told you guys I wanted to do a bunch of these. So I do have a New York City one. It does also come in a mini kit, which is the same format as the other mini kit. So let me go ahead and show you guys this kit here. So this is called NYC, and I really love the colors in this kit. So you kind of have like the Brooklyn Bridge and just different like New York City elements. I love the pops of pink throughout. I just think it's really fun. So you do have the ombre heart checklists, the half boxes, the functional page. I love this taxi cab, so cute. Your little things, your headers, your tons of deco, and then your bottom washi. And I really love the colors. The thing can be so pretty with like a pop of silver, or you could even do like, I think if you found like a pink color, I'm sure we have a Wiggle that matches this, a pink color like this, that'd be really fun to pull in just because it does have those light pink accents throughout. So that is NYC, and like I said, it does also, and it has the Munchkin head freebie in both the mini and ultimate, and it does also come, like I said, in a mini kit. There is options if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There's options if you want to add on the glitter headers, and last but not least, there's an option if you want to add on the label sampler. And then last but certainly not least, I love the colors of this kit. This also comes in a mini kit, but this is called Grease, and it is so pretty. Aesthetic gold. I love these colors. Okay. I've never been to Greece, so this is super cute, and it makes me want to go really bad. So you have this gorgeous double box. Love the girls and their outfits, and I'm just like obsessed with this blue color with the pink. Like it is a match made in heaven, in my opinion. You have your functional. I love the extra box here with the boat. You have your little things, your headers, tons of deco over here, and then your bottom washi, which is a fairly neutral, which I love. This, I am just like obsessed with this kit. I just think it's so pretty, and again, the colors are like to die for. Again, I'd probably use silver, but I think it also could call for like a fun foil color or a mixed metal moment. So there is also the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, which that pink is like, again, to die for. You have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, and last but not least, you do have the option if you want to add on the labels. So again, we do have 3 exclusive kits coming to the shop this week. If there is anything else added by artists that I want to add last minute, I will post that on Instagram, and I will try to get on Instagram to show you the actual kit itself on Tuesday night before new releases, or at least Wednesday morning, depending on what time I get back. But we do have Greece, we have NYC, which is those are both part of our little series of locations. And then there is also Family Movie Night. These are all 3 exclusive art collections, so you won't find the art anywhere else. We also do have that Wiggle, which will be on special pricing for Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern. And then we do have 3 foil releases like most usual weeks. So we do have the Girl Boss quotes, we have the Spring Bucket List, and then last but not least, we also do have the Star 15mm strips. So that is everything for this week. I hope you guys like this week's new releases, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, also, we will be shipping out mystery if you're watching this when it comes out, this is a video comes out the 24th. We're going to ship mystery on the 26th. So get excited for that. And the reveal will be up on the 26th as well. And then my plan with me will be up on Friday. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.